Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add an internal and external link in a blog in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you want to add internal and external links. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first I need to jump to my or let's open a blog post. I don't have an enabled blog first, so I will start a new one. Now let's say that my blog post is this one. To add a new external link, it's simple. This is my internal link and this is my external link. Now just select the words you want to create an internal link for, like that. Then go to link icon, click on it. Here, since we are talking about an internal link, just select page, section. Just select a page or a section. Let's go with a page. Here, select which page or which internal page you want to link to. Let's use this about page. Now click on save. Our internal link is created. Now let's create the external link. For this external link, select web address. And here, fill in your external link. In my case, I will send my external link to Google and hit save. Now, don't forget to update your website to publish these new links. Let's view my website live. Let's go to blog. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's go to blog. I think this is the last, and this is my internal link. As you see, this is an internal page or an internal link. Now let's click on the external link. As you see, I was forwarded to an external address. And this is how to add an internal link and an external link in a blog in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.